Here, and this is my little review on QubitTech. And it's been a lot of buzz about this, and I've been trying to join this, but like every time try to join because I'm in the United States, it would never let me. It would always go to forbidden. So today I was watching the video, so I just decided to click on the link, and it let me. I went in here, created an account. I haven't funded the account yet, but I I haven't funded the account, but I will. I have 13 days because they give you. I guess they give you a certain amount of time to fund your account, or they go ahead and they delete your account. I guess if you don't fund your account. But I wanted to just come on and do a video because I've been seeing people doing really well, and uh, I didn't want to bring nothing, just any old thing to my channel and to my subscribers because we had that little ordeal with this other company. So I haven't been really doing no videos, but there's been a lot of buzz around this company here, and I've been seeing people do really well with this. And one thing I like about this, like, one they have like a quick start bonus. So like, just say you come in with just $100, but you can recruit, like, you recruit people to this, and they basically give you a free license for each person that you bring in to the company. So this figure, if you a builder, this would be great for you because you come into this and you can fund it and then just go crazy bringing in people and build yourself up in these licenses, because like, it's money to be made into this, like crazy money. And I've been looking for something good like this since the other company I was in. But I will be doing more videos, and once I fund it, I'll start dropping videos, and I'll do like daily videos, and we're gonna see how this goes. But I'm definitely glad that I was able to sign up, and I'll probably fund this um, probably in a couple days, but we'll see how everything goes. But I'll leave the link in the description, and you can go here, check it out, and let's get this money. Like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Peace.